Good evening, City Council. My name is Tim Beeman, Assistant Public Works Director, here to discuss Public Project Agreement 325-00130 with Trojan Technologies Group, ULC, for the AWPF UV lamp replacement project, specification number PW24104. The recommendation is that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize an agreement with Trojan Technologies Group, ULC, for a not to exceed amount of $300,000 for the AWPF UV lamp replacement project, specification number PW24104. A little bit of background: the AWPF uses UV disinfection as one of the final steps in the treatment process. The water that comes from the reverse osmosis permeate. It passes through a cluster of lamps where it's exposed to the UV light and it kills any remaining bacteria. The existing UV lamps have an average of 11,300 hours of service on them, which is close to the maximum of 12,000 hours of useful life on the lamps. Here's a couple pictures of the AWPF and the solar array in the middle. The UV lamps are located to the right of that. Here's a picture of the device that holds the UV lamps on the left, and the lamps are located in the tubes near where the clock is. And then on the right, you can actually see the lamps themselves. Trojan Technologies was selected as the sole provider of this project since the UV disinfection equipment was manufactured by Trojan, and it's unique, and the most effective way for them to work is to be fitted with Trojan Technologies UV lamps. The specified lamps are compatible with the existing equipment and will undergo commissioning and testing to ensure disinfection results. And the city's purchasing policy allows for the city to enter into agreements with vendors without competitive bidding for reasons of product uniqueness and compatibility with the existing equipment of the same manufacturer, in this case, Trojan Technologies. A trade service agreement will be executed with Trojan for a total not to exceed amount of $300,000. And under the agreement, Trojan will provide the labor and materials to replace 360 existing UV lamps and provides 72 spare UV lamps, 20 spare quart sleeves, 7 spare UVI sensors, 1 UVT monitor, and provide operator training for new staff at the AWPF. The financial impact is the total cost for this trade services agreement shall not exceed $300,000. And the AWPF UV lamp replacement will be funded from available budget appropriations from the Water Operating Fund 601. This concludes the presentation.